gorgeous morning. Hey, Skid. He's happily eating. Full moon today. Let's go, Skid. Come on, let's go. What are you doing? You gonna drop that ball and go get your ball, the green one? Yes, good boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Gracie. You gonna have a nap? Yeah? Okay. Chores are tiring, hey? You good boy. You're gonna go back out soon. You have to do some snow removal. No, you can stay. It's all good. You don't have to get up yet. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you want me to lie down with you? Let's check the birds, Skid. They still have food. Yeah, they're good. You looking for the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Uh-oh. He's up there somewhere. Can you hear him? He's mad. He's mad. Let's go. Go, Skid. Come on. Hi, horses. What you guys up to? Huh? Let's go, Skid. Oh no. Skid just loves the snow. More than anybody else. Let's go check the horses. Yeah, yesterday morning we had a sick horse, a colicky horse, so he's been fine again, but we're gonna keep checking on him and make sure he's still okay. Let's go, Skid. Let's go. What a gorgeous day. You're a little bit crazy, mister. Let's go. Okay, bye. And up on the next snow mountain. What are you doing? Are you coming? And up on the next one. Let's go find the horses, Skid. Where are the horses? Let's go. There's Bandit. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. I'm missing one horse. Where is the 9th horse? But there's Bandit, and he seems fine. Hi guys. Who are we missing? Cody? Where's Cody? Honey, huh? Okay, he must be way on top of the hill. Alright, let's go, Skid. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm not that fast. The snow is deep. I'm coming. Where is Cody, you guys? That's good. Oh, I think I see him. Way up there. There he is. Cody, what are you doing up there? Hey, Bandit. How are you feeling? Such a beautiful view. Gorgeous day, and it's warmed up too. Hi, buddy. Oh, looks like he's doing fine again. No more colic, so that's awesome. Bandit. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Aw. Glad to see you doing better, bud. Huh? Good boy. The horses have made a track here. There's Cody. Blue sky. Love it. So gorgeous. All around there's mountains, the caribous. And over here we got the Rocky Mountains. Hi, God. You gonna bring that flag, Skid? Hey, bring the flag here, Skid. Bring it here. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, bye. Oh, you're funny. You're funny. Skink, you gonna check the water? Go check the water. No, in the trough. Skid, in the trough. Go check the water. You gotta go on the open side. Can you go check the water? Over here. You can't see there. You gotta come over here. Go check the water. Skid. Go check the water. Yes. How much is in it? Good boy. Oh, it's got a ways to go, huh? Good job, Skid. Hubby's busy plowing the driveway after the blizzard we had yesterday morning. Well, while we're waiting for the water troughs to fill up, Skid and I are going to be doing some shoveling. Well, I'll be shoveling the snow. Skid will be chasing the snow. You ready, Skid? Huh? Okay. Some snow out of the way here. Hi, bud. It's just after 1 and the sun is almost behind the mountains already. Pretty close to the shortest day of the year. Can't wait for the days to get longer again. How about you, Skid? Skid, what do you think? You want to check the water? Come on, let's go check the water. Check the water. No, this way, Skid. The water. The water. Let's go check the water. Oh, we got some snow in it. It will melt with the deicer. You want to check the water, Skid? Check the water, Skid. Oh, you gonna bring me my gloves now? That's a good boy. Can you give them to me? Good job. Very good. Thank you. What about the other one? They're all froze. Thanks for my mitts. Good job. Good boy. Almost gone, the sun. Hi, puppy. You want to bring the shovel for me? You gonna bring it? Okay, let's go. Bring the shovel. Good job. Oh, you're so fast with that shovel. Good job. Thank you. Oh, you're so fast. You're so fast. Good boy. Okay. Oh, leave my gloves here. You can go. Okay, you go. What are you doing? Skid, what are you doing? You're crazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Skittles is having a nap in his kennel. He doesn't mind going in his kennel, he goes in there on his own. It's his den, his safe spot. Right, puppy? Evening feed. Pretty dark. All we can see is Skidboot on the quad with his light color. Wow, the moon's gonna come up here any minute, Skid. Good boy. Good boy. You keeping your feet warm sitting on the bale? That's a good boy. You're smart. Smart puppy. Yes, you're smart puppy. Hi, Skid. Good boy. Hey, Skid. Doing night check. Oh, there's the moon. Full moon tonight. It's 25 below, so making sure the horses have enough hay to stay warm. Hey, horses. You waiting for some more grub? Let's go feed them some more hay, Skid. Just wait on this side. Good boy. It's like bright as daylight. Who's that trotting around? Shooter? Hey, puppy. Good boy, Skid. You ready for bed, Skid? Hey? Time for bed. No, not this way. Are you coming? Let's go. Bring the toboggan. Let's go. Come on, puppy. Good job. Okay, all the way up the hill, though. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. Yeah, let's go. This way, Skid. Bring the toboggan. It's got to go all the way up the hill. Yes, there you go. Uh-oh, you lost it. Bring the toboggan. Bring it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Skid. Hurry up. Good job. Good job.